Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial dedicated to enabling dark mode on Google Drive. Dark mode is one of the most useful options for users as it reduces eye strain when using devices in low light conditions. Additionally, it can extend battery life on mobile devices, which is an added advantage for all users who enjoy using Google Drive on their smartphones or tablets. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to enable this mode. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your Google Drive application. Then, in the top left corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now, select the Settings option. Once you've done that, now tap on a Choose Theme, then on a Dark. Great! That's all there is to enabling dark mode on Google Drive. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.